Wabariki sana.
Thank you. Mbe ni mwosa ngedhi ya mama kuweni. Very good. Na muyosa ngedhi ya mwenda wako weta wanita. Very good. Ni mwakedhiwa. Kwa family ya Willie Mwasia. Now I know where the name Mwasia comes from the young man. We want to say pole for losing this good leader. And a leader who has brought us nyendia bika ikuda nigeta kuona umapune nina bigomo nundu wake kucha mutumio na ilani naye na munene wito Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka wa chuma nona ndabisie undu wai ndo na mutumio na undu wa munengie Pauline. So in remembrance of Pauline, and if you can hear us, we are wishing you well. And we are praying for you. Ya mwisho, now speaking as the Vice Chairman of WIPE. Mutazunguka sana. Eugene, I'm saying this so that wewe ni wakili na usikie. Na you sit in hiyo kamati. Wakati wa kutangaza Kalonzo ni sasa. Hakuna story ingine. And let me explain this, just like the good lawyer I am. The only way to create hope that there is a better future for Kenya. Ayeni ngweza odioma. Ni anamegwe kuja kungi. The only way to create a future for Kenya is to make sure that we have a government in waiting. With a presidential candidate, with a minister for finance, with the Minister for Environment, so that we are able to tackle the government. Na tutangoja mutangaze. Na we are sasa hata mukitafuta. Ona Mwamanda. Haya. Amutapata a candidate like Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Jnr. And I'm happy the church is speaking, because you must speak. Hata nyinyi mukitafuta, hakuna mwingine mutapata. And it's important for us, because we say the past is the past. Lakini sasa tufanye mambo tofauti kama Azimio. Tusingoje 2027 July, mwanze kuambia Kalonzo, nataka kumuinterview, muitishe kipande yake na nini, hizo maneno hapana. Hapana. Alizaliwa wapi? Alisoma wapi? This gentleman, even the devil knows him. Ona satani iwezi Kalonzo iwazomie miao na munu wezi miao. Tiwa. So that some of the things that are happening in this country, we now need possibly a good lawyer like Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka to put things straight. And I say so without any fear of contradiction. And I say so because, and I'm saying this so that musikie. And kwa sababu niliachwa na hiyo maneno kwa akili yangu na my late father, nitarudia. So that everybody who thought that Mutula Kilonzo alienda, aliwacha mawazo yake na watu wengine. Na aliniambia this on 30th of December 2007. Akamba muiko akwata mundungi ubwata Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka muiko ambongi na muona tukiletie makuweni tia ituizi unen tuisubia Kalonzo muka manyonu tumwendete mumwenda munango inyuma ketui muka manyonu tumwendete makuweni inyuma masaku mwenda munango na muhimu subia na ndaya yake mwe watu yokita mwe na minority leader tuikau na itia tuikau mwingi tio mwezi arumaiva tio mwezi lakini tuika nesa nikenda withi munene witu ni wane wandaya na muinena ikanisa asiayu mbaino ya leo kwatana nikenda tulike kindu niki tuika ne wandaya ingi tukakuya mebugo zandu nyene no yeto okuwa mebugo zandu twenda tukanena akikamba tukaketha we wacha status ulo thwitu uno pe umwe ngaya mwikane sana imwathi masante